Good morning. Welcome to another Thursday. So it's another poetry day for you and for me. I hope you must be at home, safe, and healthy. So this poem again was published in my book in 2017, and the book's name was Kisse Kahaniyan Bhi Kaisa Mazak Karte Hain, and it was published by Indra Publications Bhopal. Right. So this is the book. So this poem is called Abandoned. So it's based on people who are living in old age homes, right? So abandoned, here it goes. Water gushing out of souls, as if coming out from punctured souls. All the hatred and the pain looks as if all gone in vain. Sometimes happy and sometimes sad. It's not just a passing fad. Mushy heart and misty eyes, lying all night with silent cries. Creaky doors and screechy skies, how fast the time flies. A stick in hand, trapped in times of sand. Couldn't help but had to look, minus the index, an historical book. From one end to another, no one to bother. In a cocoon, in a shell, worse than Satan's hell. They themselves lost, but at what cost? An old carton of odds and ends, now the back also little bends. Trying to see with those almost blind eyes, with every warm breath, there are many cold sighs. They were many, and each was one. Daughters had left them, they were abandoned by their sons. Many celebrations came and went. They were for never set. They blamed the calendars and forgave the days. They led their lives in a constant haze. Days and nights all seemed the same. There was nobody on whom they could pass on their flame. They all hung their faces in shame, for there was no one to take their name. Do not worry, as help is on its way. A knight on a horse, some say. But they only knew the truth, as they no longer are in their youth. Few more years or just a week, only after that will seekers will seek. Illness, age, future if any is bleak. Vultures have already started to sneak. After that, the rites have to be performed, either by own self or by our own bond. Peace, peace, peace at last. Sail in the next life sea so vast. Go, search for your own self once again. Whenever there are dark clouds, there is bound to be a refreshing rain. So this was the poem, Abandoned. Hope you liked it. And if you liked it, give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and family. Until next Thursday, be safe, be healthy. Goodbye. Take care.